Mr. Garry here from GBL-The Ole Church 5-Acre Homestead, and I'm actually in the Crawlspace underneath the church today. We're here for a very, very important task, a very, very important project. We are insulating the knee wall, or the plywood wall that surrounds the perimeter of the old church, with some styrofoam insulation pieces like this here. Got lots and lots and lots of it, and it's going to take me pretty much all day to complete this project. But that's okay. That's okay. It's raining outside, or it's been raining for the last few days, and it gives me an opportunity to get in here out of the weather and complete this very, very important project. Folks, winter is coming very, very soon to the old church, so we must get the crawl space underneath this old church insulated, and that's what we're going to do today. And you're welcome to join me. So we're going to do that first. Also in this video, folks, we have a selection of mail here from some subscribers to our YouTube channel who've sent some mail recently. There's several pieces there. We're going to get at that in this video, and I do believe, I'm going to share a secret with you. I do believe in some of these envelopes are some channel stickers from, as I said, from fellow YouTube supporters who have channels of their own. And when I open them, and there are stickers indeed, I'm going to be attaching the stickers to the sides of my art hat, and I'm going to show all that to you. And of course, we'll be giving a channel shout out to the folks who own those channels as well in this video. So if you're into that kind of a video, folks, and if you're into learning how to insulate a crawl space, then you are in the right video today. And 16. Okay, so I hope you learned something. I hope you found that informative, how to insulate a crawl space. Not just a crawl space in the church, because the process that was used here today, insulating this crawl space, is the same if you are insulating a house, another building, a garage. It doesn't matter. The process is the same, and I hope you learned something. Now, though, it's time to get at that mail. So let's do that. Okay, I'm using my Leatherman's knife today, folks, to open this mail, and I'm trying to find the blade. Here's the blade in this Leatherman's knife, and the first one we're going to do is this one right here. This one is from Codraven, and Codraven is Brian and Holly, fellow Newfoundlanders with a YouTube channel. Spent a long time up in Nova Scotia, and they've recently moved home to Newfoundland and Labrador, and are renovating a homestead as well. And they have a beautiful, beautiful channel. And let me see, indeed, look at this. Brian and Holly did send along a couple of stickers. Yes, indeed. So what I'll do is I'll put a couple of clips in this video very, very soon for you to go take a look at. And I'll also be putting the link to Brian and Holly's channel in the description for this video. But I'm going to take one of these stickers now. One is colored and one is kind of not. So I'm going to take the colored one, I do think, and I'm going to put it on my hard hat. Now, I got my white hard hat today, but as you know, I've got lots and lots of hard hats. I got nearly 20 altogether. Okay, Brian's sticker is going to go right there on the side. So hopefully you can see there's a little bit of dampness there, so I better get that off. And I'm going to stick Brian's sticker right there in a nice little spot. Got a few wrinkles into it, but I'll use my heat gun when I go inside. And usually the heat gun takes out most of all those little wrinkles. There you go, look at that. Now, when I'm wearing my hard hat now, Brian's sticker is there also. Isn't that something? I'll hold on to the other one. I'll hold on to the other sticker that Brian sent me, and I'll probably put that one on another hard hat later on. So that's the piece of mail from Brian and Holly. Codraven 57, folks. Go check out their YouTube channel. Here's another one. Here's another piece of mail. This one is from a friend of mine, Dave, who lives in Orillia, Ontario. And he's also known as the Singing Toad. That's his YouTube channel. So go check out Dave and his channel. A fellow Canadian living in Ontario. And I do think he sent along a sticker as well. And let's have a quick look. Let's see what we have from Mr. Dave. Okay, Mr. Dave Stewart, I believe is his full name. It says, oh, look at that. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Hello, Gary and Betty, Dave says. Thanks very much for doing a sticker swap with me. I greatly appreciate it. It's always nice to meet fellow Canadians out there in YouTube land. I wish you all the best with your channel. Take care and God bless, Dave the Singing Toad. Dave also sent along this bumper sticker kind of thing, and it says, let me read through it. It's a quote from Red Green. And I'm a fan of Red Greens, believe it or not. Oh, have you heard the singing toad? The toad that sang down by the road? I haven't heard that singing toad. I guess he sang too close to the road. Red Green. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And look at the beautiful stickers from the singing toad. Look at that. A nice large one there. And he's got, oh my goodness, he sent me several of those, and I'll be putting one of those on the hard hat, of course. And he also got a couple of smaller ones as well. Country Roads Take Me Home, isn't that clever? A green toad, the singing toad, and the toad tribe. Welcome, my friends. Look at that. Now, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take one of these singing toad stickers, and I'm going to put that one right next to Brian and Holly's. Look at that. There we go. Now, Brian and Holly's sticker from Cod Raven. And now I have the Singing Toad, Mr. Dave. Look at that. On my white art hat. Folks, if you have a channel sticker, be sure to send it along to Mr. Garry, and your sticker will end up on one of my hard hats. It might be this white one, it might be my blue one, my green one, my red one, my orange one. I got lots and lots of hard hats. Now, I have I want to share this with you. To Mr. Dave, the Singing Toad, I have a piece of mail ready to put in the mail to you. And I did hear that Canada Post went on strike today. God darn it. So hopefully that won't interfere too much, Dave, and you will get your piece of mail. Hopefully. Now, I have a special piece of mail here. I do not think it's channel stickers because the forwarding address up in the top says CRNL. That's Claudia, up 6 hours. Claudia is from Ontario, Canada. She's from Toronto. She's a really, really good friend. She's been with our channel from the very, very, very beginning, folks. Miss Claudia lives in a senior's home. And she sends me emails and she sends me mail and she responds and messages us in all of our videos, leaves lots and lots of comments, and she is a very, very special friend. I'm going to open this letter in a very, very special video for Miss Claudia, because Miss Claudia is a dear, dear old soul. And Miss Betty and I, we appreciate her very, very much. She sent us a Christmas card. She sent us some gifts. So we appreciate Miss Claudia. She's a senior, as I said, living in a senior's retirement home in Toronto, Canada. And I'm going to do a very, very special video for Miss Claudia. So you'll want to make sure you tune in for that. Now, I'll also make sure that I put in some clips for the Singing Toads channel as well in this video. So look for that. And also look for the link to the Singing Toads YouTube channel in the description for this video, along with the one for Cod Raven. Folks, thank you ever so much for tuning into this TGIF, this Friday video today. Mr. Garry in the Crawlspace underneath the church. What do you think? Isn't that something? I did do a great job, I do think. I'm going to do a little pan around of this Crawlspace at the end of this video for you to have a quick look at, just to see what it's like underneath this old church. It's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Did some cleaning up, of course, but it does look quite well insulated now. Got a few more things to do. I want to put some styrofoam insulation on the water lines. That needs to be done before winter comes along. And I want to also put some 10 mil plastic wrap all over the floor here inside this Crawlspace. So we'll be doing that later on. And when we do that, I'll probably bring you along and share that with you as well. For now, though, let me end this video by showcasing the under part of this church, the Crawlspace, in more detail so you can have a quick look. This is what the Crawlspace underneath the old church looks like, folks. You can see where I put all the insulation in the walls, all up on the back there and up there by the sewer pipes and the water lines. But as I said, those white PEX water lines, they need to be covered in foam insulation as well. And I'll be doing that very, very soon. Coming along here now, this is where we were just at the opening and coming spinning around. Okay, I did all of this as well with the styrofoam insulation. And folks, I've got lots and lots of more of this insulation should I need some. I've got it all piled up there. So that's all done as well. So I do think now that we've got lots and lots of insulation underneath this old church. There you have it, folks. Thank you ever so much for watching. Appreciate it so very, very much. You enjoy the rest of your Friday. Enjoy the weekend, of course, and enjoy the coming week. And we'll see you very, very soon in another video. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been on a beach walk, and once the weather improves, I might just take you along on another beach walk. There you have it. Thank you for watching. You have a blessed weekend, as I said. Take care, folks. Mr. Garry signing out.